I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting permission and confirming the host phone's data plan so you don't break carrier rules. Once agreed, open settings on that phone and turn on Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. Make sure Wi-Fi hotspot is active. You should immediately check the SSID and password and pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Also set a strong password and limit max devices to protect data. These first steps create a secure, usable network. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi, locate the host SSID and tap to connect. Enter the hotspot password exactly because case matters. If you need better stability or want to save battery, connect via USB tethering or pair by Bluetooth. USB also charges the host device. Once connected, make sure apps that force VPNs are off during initial setup and set a static IP only if an app requires it. Monitor signal bars and move closer if speed or latency is poor. After connecting, run a speed test and open the apps you need to confirm real-world performance. Watch data consumption so you don't hit limits. To preserve battery, keep the host phone charging and enable any hotspot timeout or auto-disable settings when idle. Close background sync on both devices to reduce unnecessary usage. If something fails, toggle the hotspot off and on, reboot both devices, or forget and rejoin the network. Also try switching the AP band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz as a key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.